Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this one I'm going to be showing you how to install the GTA 5 story mod menu. So you could use this for having your own cars, having new cars that you like into the game, using mods with it, or you could simply just use it for teleporting around and doing whatever you want. So the two websites you will need to go to is menu, which all the links will be in the description, and OpenIV.com. That's GTA5-mods.com. This link will be in the description, so don't worry. And OpenIV.com. So to start off with, you want to download both of the softwares. So the link in the description will take you directly to this website. Just click this download button and it will take you here to this GitHub page. Now you'll see here menu PC v1.4 or whatever version it is for you. And then you'll see the assets free here. So you'll have the source code zip, you'll have the source code tar.gz, and you'll have the menu sp.zip. So you want to click the top one. So as you can see, that will download down there. Obviously I've already got it installed, but I'm still going to walk you through it. And then come to the OpenIV website and then click download now on this button here. On top of the menu software and on top of the other software, which is OpenIV, you will also need to install a software called ScriptHookV and ScriptHookV.net. So these links will also be in the description, so you don't have to worry. But what you need to do is you need to come to this website here, click this download link, and it will install down here. You also need to click ScriptHookV.net and then whatever version it will be at the time. Scroll down and then again you'll see the ScriptHook.net.zip or tar.gz. So just click the top one again, and that will download as well. So what I'm going to do is, to make this easier for myself, is I'm just going to drag them over to my desktop, and then I'm going to create a new folder and I'll just name it GTA 5 mods. So once I've done that, I'm going to grab these two and then chuck them in that folder there. And then you'll see that these aren't extracted from their files. So all you need to do is you need to right click it and click extract here if you have WinRAR. So if you don't have WinRAR, I'll also leave a link in the description for that. So drag and drop these two folders that you just downloaded into the place where you are extracting your other files, and then all you need to do is right click these and click extract here. So once you've done that, you'll see all of this stuff come up here. That's fine, you can just leave that for the time being, we don't need that at the minute. So after you've done all of that, you want to come to the OVI setup folder and then double click it. And then you'll see choose your language, and this will be the OpenIV installation process. So there's only two languages, as you can see here. It's English and Russian. If you're English, click English. If you're Russian, click Russian. So you'll just have this end user license agreement. Obviously I haven't read this, I don't think anyone has read it, so just accept it. And then you'll see the installation path you want to choose. So I personally would create a desktop icon, but I've already got one, so I'm not going to create one now. However, I am going to run it after installation, and then you can choose an installation path, but I just let it install where it automatically installs. And then click yes after you've clicked continue. So as you can see here, it says the installation of OpenIV has been completed successfully. So then you just want to click close, and mine should automatically open up. Here you go, you can see it's opened up. So with this software you can edit the files and mod the game in all of these different games. However, we're just going to be using it for Grand Theft Auto 5 in this video to get the menu mod. So what you want to do is you want to click Windows, and then you'll see choose Grand Theft Auto 5 folder. So you have to find in your computer settings and your computer's files exactly where the Grand Theft Auto 5 location is. So I'll show you how to do this. So most people will have GTA 5 on Steam. So if you've got it on Steam, it's quite simple. All you want to do is come over to Grand Theft Auto 5, right click here, select properties, and then come to local files, and then once you're here, just click browse. So as you can see here, it's taking you to the exact folder of Grand Theft Auto 5, and this is the one you're going to need. So all you need to do is simply click this search bar here, and then all of this will come up and already be highlighted. Just right click that and click copy. So then come over here to OpenIV, click browse, come up here again, and then just click Ctrl V to paste it in, and then it will take you to the file, and then just simply click select folder, and then this should come up successfully GTA5.exe version whatever it is, and OpenIV can work with this file. Now however, if you're not on Steam, then you will have to go into the your computer settings, but to do this is quite simple. All you want to do is go to this PC, go to the device or hard drive SSD, whichever one you've installed your Grand Theft Auto 5 on. So I've only got one, so it's on my C drive. Double click that, come over to program files, and then scroll down until you see Rockstar Games. And then if you've got it on any other launcher, there should be a file titled Grand Theft Auto 5 there. You just click on that file, and as I did with Steam, just come up to this search bar and then Control-C, Control-V into OpenIV. So now you've done that, all you need to do is simply click Continue. And obviously here it tells you don't forget to back up your original files before editing. So I haven't done this, but I know what I have installed, so I can delete the files that I don't need and isn't part of the base game, so I can load back into online. However, if you don't know what files you're putting in, then do make sure to obviously back up your files before editing. So then just click Continue. So once that's loaded up, you should be greeted with this, and this is the core base code of GTA 5. So the only folder you won't have is the mods folder, I do believe, and obviously the menu stuff folder. But with this, what you want to do is you need to come up here, click edit mode, and then click yes. So now you can edit the game's core data and code. So all you want to do is come over to where you've extracted your menu, and then select the .asi file and the menu stuff folder, and all you need to do is simply drag and drop and it will be in the game. However, you may get an error message, or it may tell you to install something else, and that will be the ASI installation process. So to do that, all you need to do is come up to Tools, click ASI Manager, and just install all of these. So these will not be installed and they'll be blue, but all you've got to do is click install on all of them and it will take maximum 30 seconds. So once you've put the menu.asi in, simply come over here to the scripthook file, and the scripthook.net free, scripthook.net free.dll, just everything that I'm highlighting from the scripthook.net file you need to put into the OpenIV software. So it's as simple as dragging and dropping. So all you'd need to do is just drag and drop it into here. I've now drag and dropped it in, and if we take a look, it should be down here somewhere. So if we look for the scripthook.v.net ASI, for example, it is right here where my cursor is. So then finally, you need to go back and once you've extracted the scripthook 5, it should be the bin file, and then you'll be greeted with this. What you want to do is you want to select scripthookv.dll and dinput8.dll, and then all you need to do is just simply drag and drop, and then it will be in the game. So this native trainer.asi you don't need, because it is another mod menu basically, but you've already installed menu, so you won't be needing it. So once you've done that, your menu will be installed, and it's as simple as that. If you do have any issues, do make sure to comment down below. And if you do want me to do a video on how to get custom vehicles, for example, or extra mods, then comment that as well down below, and I'll be sure to make a video on it. Other than that, I hope this has all been helpful for everyone, and I'll see you all in my next video.